What's up, guys? Today I just wanted to make a quick video on this gun I bought from Amazon. It's the Umarex Colt Peacemaker air pellet gun. Bought it for about $100. Just wanted to give my honest review about it. I think it's pretty cool. I've already tried it a couple times, but I'm going to take you through it, open it up, and we're going to check it out. Okay guys, here's the box. It's a cool looking box. It has the information on the FPS here, 380. Only uses pellets. It's CO2 powered and it's a single action. So you do have to cock the hammer back every time you shoot. And let's open the box up. Okay. Here it is. It's pretty heavy. Realistically heavy, so I like how it has these engravings on it. It's pretty cool. Then on the other side, right there, the handle is plastic, but it's pretty durable. Feels really good. It's comfortable. So it is CO2 powered, like I mentioned, and I'm sure you know already, but the CO2 goes right here in the handle. I've already got one locked and loaded inside. The Allen wrench tool is built in the handle, so it's good, you can't lose it. So you do click it back in like that. And then to load it, you got this little switch, just like the real thing. You would have to cock it one time, and then it's free release on the shells, and you could just slide them on out like this. There's the shells right there. So you could load these up, you know, by hand by putting these in one by one in the back side of the shell, or you could just get them and just stand these up and push them down. Pretty simple. Then you just load it right back in here. It's pretty cool. I like these realistic type guns. Makes you feel like you're about to do some damage. Flip that back. So to put the safety on, which I don't have it on right now. I should have, but you'd have to have this back to its original state. So you just hold the trigger down slightly and the hammer, cock it all the way back, and then push it all the way up. Then you can put the safety on. So there you go. Damage marks here. Slip the hole right through the can. Didn't do too much damage on this one. Some at the bottom. There you have it. That's the Umarex Colt Peacemaker air pellet gun. I really like it. I think you'll like it too. Very realistic, heavy, and shoots really well. I'll make sure to put a link down in the description so you can check it out yourself, and I'll talk to you soon. Oh,